How to use Google Translate offline. Hi everybody. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Google Translate offline. So to use the Google Translate offline, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, open the Google Translate. So here it is. Now then, what next you want to do is basically you have to download the language for which you want to use the offline. So for that, you want to click on the initials from the top right corner and go to downloaded language. So at the moment, I only have English. So now what I'm going to do is here, I am going to look for the French word. So I'm going to download this particular word. It might take a couple of seconds, so just be patient enough. And after you've done completely downloading it, now then you'll be able to use the Google Translate offline. So this is simply how you'll be able to use. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.